Dear students, today I am going to explain a poem of class 9, Rain on the Roof, written by Coates Kinney. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Here, humid shadows hover means the dark clouds moving around the sky, and the starry spheres means the sky at night which are full of stars. Here the poet is saying that when the dark clouds move around all over the stars in the night sky, at that time the sad darkness of the night is wiped off by the raindrops, which seems like tears falling from the sky. So we can say, here the poet is comparing the raindrops with the tears of the sad dark sky. He adds that it is like a blessing to him to lie on the bed in his room and listen to the raindrops falling on the roof. Let us see the second stanza of this poem. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy wing start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof, as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Here the poet is expressing whenever he hears the sound of the rain falling on the rooftop, the sound repeats in his heart. He says that the sound creates divine dreams in his mind. He also tells that he recollects many memories of the past, which come back to his mind as dreams whenever he listens the sound of the raindrops falling on the roof. Now let us look at the last stanza of this poem. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. So here, the poet introduces his mother, who is no more. In the previous stanza, we have read that the sound of the raindrops brings back the poet's memories. It is the memory of his loving mother, who is no longer alive. So here, the poet says, in the past, his mother loved him a lot. She used to call him darling and would let him sleep till daybreak and have sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listens to the sound of the raindrops falling on the rooftop.